Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you liking content, cause I'm doing my best. Let's keep it cheap. Let's do our best to make sure you understand. I will put you on. They see me blowing up, they wanna buy me. I'm building 2 channels and I'm with the best. I see 2 of they wanna ban me. And they tell you niggas, please don't ever doubt me. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bless. NCH Beach. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you liking content, cause I'm doing my best. Let's keep it cheap. Let's do our best to make sure you understand. I will put you on. They see me blowing up, they wanna buy me. I'm building 2 channels and I'm with the best. I see 2 of they wanna ban me. And they tell you niggas, please don't ever doubt me. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bless. What's up YouTube, and welcome back to this channel. This is another NCH Software Academy class, and we're back on MixPad, and today we are looking to Lil Tecca, of which Lil Tecca is one of those few artists who has been popping so much lately. And just to be honest with you guys, I hope you saw his latest song. It is currently like trending big here on YouTube. I think the song is Need You or Need Me, something like that. I believe it's Need Me. So today I want to show you like how to record Lil Tecca vocals. I hope you already saw on the intro on how exactly the things that we will be doing. So let's get to it. What I generally like to do, I just click here, how to mute like the before sound. Just make 2 dots, then drop the first one down just like that, so you can mute all this sound in the beginning. So I also recorded like the tag. I hope you heard the tag. It sounds great to me. I don't know about you, but to me it really sounds great. And the volumes are dropped. So the tag, I won't be going deep to the tag because it's what I did exactly here. It's just that I decided to put a distortion on the tag, then I try to level it a little bit lower. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing I did was to put autotune. So let's go here, click here. So the key of this beat, the beat was made on G minor. So guys, I'm repeating this again. So you put an autotune depending like the key of your beat. If your beat was made on E flat major, that means your autotune should be E flat major. If your beat was made on A sharp minor, that means your autotune should be A sharp minor. I hope everything there is clear. So that's the first thing you need to do when it comes to autotune. So another thing I did, the threshold, I put the threshold there, as you already know about the amount of autotune I usually crank my autotune up. So another thing I do, a little bit of a pitch bend. Vibrato is on 0 right now, and my attack and release, as you can see. Then let's go to the gain. I think one of the videos that I did previously, I didn't use like the gain knob, but this time I decided to use a gain knob because I felt like the beat was there was a part where the beat had like in heavy 808, and I wanted my vocals to stand out even on in heavy 808. Then I had a compression. So guys, for this one I just wanted to show you how to set an autotune. I didn't want to go deep on how to mix and master the song. I just wanted to show you how to set autotune. I'll be moving fast on some parts, and I will also explain some of the things that I didn't do that you have to do. So then in this area I just did a little bit of saturation, which is similar to gain reduction to what we added. It's just that we just decreased it a little bit. Then the ceiling is on top, so the ceiling is I didn't want like this plugin to cut my vocal at some certain area. Then there was like a 7 dB gain reduction. We've been doing a lot of reduction of gaining with being boosting the vocal so much. because even here, after compressing and doing whatever we did, we decided to put a gain about 0.7 dB. Then you can see our limiter, you can see our ratio, our altered gain release. Then we had another autotune. So as I mentioned already, like the main aim of this course was to show you guys how to set your autotune, how to make your autotune sound great. So another thing we did here, we just used the same autotune, a G minor. Then we put our 100% in our mind. We decrease like the ratio, like put the ratio around there, 10% gain, and our vibrato is now on 14. Then we did a little bit of this. There are a lot of things that I didn't add. It's not like I felt like I didn't want to add them. An example will be a dehazer. I added dehazer on all my vocal chains, but for this one I didn't add them. I really don't know why, but I felt like it was sounding good, and I think that I didn't add that. You have to add is what do we call it, is equalization and EQ, a panoramic EQ. You have to add that. It's just that for this one I was just going to get my vocals very clear and set autotune. So let's go back to autotune. So I put my first autotune, and this is how I set my autotune. Just make sure like the key is correct, then also do the same thing, but this time try to make your autotune to be more smooth and fluent. So that's what I did, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys did love the song. So I won't be playing the song, as you already know it will do that thing. So I hope you saw the preview. Thank you so much, guys, for the love. What can I say? So yeah, guys, please let me know what I should do next. I have more videos that I haven't dropped on MixPad, of which like I'm planning to drop a new video on MixPad each and every week this month. I'm not sure about next month, but I'll also try my level best to do the same thing, dropping a new MixPad video each and every month. So yeah, guys, I'll be doing a Nicki Minaj vocal effect in some time. Yeah, and I have done some couple of other I think I have 2-3 videos that I haven't dropped, but I will drop them definitely this month. Then yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bless. NCH Beach. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you like your content, cause I'm doing my best. Let's keep it cheap. Let's do our best to make sure we understand. I will put you on. They see me blowing up, they wanna buy me. I'm building 2 channels and I'm with the best. I see 2 up, they wanna buy me. And I tell you niggas, please don't ever doubt me. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bless.